And that is our first 5. No? Talagang napaka-exciting ng laban na ito, Coach Cholo Ilihino, as we are going to witness both the Converge FiberX kontra itong Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.
Yes, Coach. Maayong gabi ka na.
You know, itong and here comes the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, no? Ito very competitive, especially their head coach, the iconic, of course, Coach Yang Yao.
Idol natin yan.
Yes, ang idol when he's handling collegiate team from Letran to LaSalle, and now MPBL,
from NCAA to UAAP, now PBA, no?
Yep, definitely. Now hits the 3-point shot.
Yes, that's his really, I mean, that's his patented move, no? Itong si Brian Santos.
Here comes Datu.
Alley-oop here. Oh, pass.
Transition.
Oh my gosh, almost.
Basket count pa.
Basket count.
Ayan. Ito, they dump it inside. Wow.
Strong move.
Aaron Fuller.
Aaron Fuller.
Familiar horns play.
No, Felix Limetti. Good stable point guard.
Oh,
there you go.
Pumasok na talaga.
Datu. Another steal by De Los Santos. Very smart play. Stockton to Scotty Hobson. Kicks it out there to Winston. Yes, sir. Yeah, Shawnee Ray. Fuller. Fast break once again.
Wow, rejected.
But Knockham is there for that safety. And eto Felix Limetti. Adrian Knockham for 3. Not this time.
Aaron once again. Jump hook is good.
Lakas ng katawan.
Clarito.
Oh, made a very historical shot.
Oh, he missed it.
In one of the league here in the Philippines.
Alex Stockton for 3.
Yon, Alex Stockton.
Yeah, so he has been the leading scorer actually for Converge, right? So sa PBA.
There, for Felix Limetti. Yon.
Of course, you also have Coach Louis Gonzalez.
Yep, Louis Gonzalez. Yan,
and Miggy. Coach Miggy as well.
Coach Miggy Solitaria, yes. There, Santos.
Yan na naman, no?
For Brian Santos.
Karakot this time. He drives. Gian Mamuyag.
Mamu for 3.
Yes, sir. 3. Grabe. Parang naalala kita dati, Coach, kahit yung mga lumilipad na yung Coach Cholo Ilihino dati. Oh.
Ako na naman.
Yes.
Shawnee Winston.
Yes, it's so 41-17. Aljun Melesio kontra itong si Francis Escandor.
Wow. Galing. Bumawi.
Pasok yung 3. Aljun Melesio.
Naiwan.
Yan.
Aljun Melesio.
It could be 3 times in a row, but Irana. Wow. I like that split screen.
Right.
Ayan.
Good drive. Nice pass from Triple B.
Wow.
Good finish.
Good swing. No, unselfish basketball. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Ulit para kay Sean. Yep, definitely. That's a good attitude, no?
True.
Arana, good backdoor play. Don. Ian Fornilas. Now, here we go. Arakot. Another same spot. Back to back. 3 from Sean Eldefonso.
Danny I.
Stockton. Good shot. They gave it to Gabe Norwood. And 1.
Talino. Scotty, no? Hobson, medyo silent for Converge.
Yon, a good rebound. Reset. They have 10 seconds remaining. The clock still winding down. Hobson.
Nice move.
Ganda naman nun.
Good up and under move from Scotty.
At Don Asisio. Mark Borboran, the veteran. Bang!
Galing. Good body control.
Veteran. Missed that.
He made one earlier, no? Si Keith Dato.
Sean Winston.
Johnny Winston.
Napansin niyo, coach, na medyo...
Here comes,
Nard
Clarito. Grabe. 56-40.
Oh, yun.
Yeah.
Scotty Hobson.
Scotty Hobson has been his momentum back by
Right.
attacking inside.
He's just adjusting, like I said, no? He's a little bit winded, I guess. Baka jet lag lang siguro to, coach, ano?
Good spot. A good touch passes there. Adrian Nocum. Fake.
Wow.
Down for eight.
Challenge you. Let's take a look at this. The Bullet Custom Brokerage game of the game. Play of the game. Ito. Adrian Nocum. Parang nasa A good pass there to Hobson but deflected.
Nako, bakante.
Adrian Nocum. Jumper. Yes,
Wow.
sir.
Malcolm.
Past 2 days, magaling yung pinakita ng Converge. But then again, they're adjusting to the presence of Scotty. Crashing the boards. Oh,
Good block by Datu, but good offensive rebound by Patrick Matt.
we're still in the third quarter and we just started it, no? The second half. A lot of time for them to catch up. Possession at the time.
De Los Santos kicks it out to
Good
their...
pass.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Scotty Hobson.
Scotty Hobson nodding, no?
Ayan na, Adrian Nocum drives.
Bah, ibang klaseng galaw yun.
Adrian Nuko.
Grabe. This is that shot. Felix Clemente nagmamadali. Binigay dito kay Clarito.
Babawi.
Slicing.
Basket down for Donald Clarito.
Let's take a look at the Royal Mandaya Hotel. Play of the game by Jonard. Kuya Joe.
Bisaya good, no?
Manoy.
Canada, Manitoba. Ibang klase.
Yes. Ayan, pasok.
Miguel De Los Santos.
Hi,
Yes.
sir. Good evening.
Ayun, eto. Here comes the driver, Felix.
Oh,
At the
put
good-
back.
John Fuller.
Lemeti drive that create. Here comes Andre Caracot.
Wow.
Andre Caraco.
He gave it to Adrian Nocum.
Ayan, oh.
Yan, pat. Eto na naman.
Single coverage, coach, eh. If
Aaron
maybe they can try to double. Yeah.
Inside. Meanwhile, ito, Hobson finding his touch. There you go.
Scotty Hobson.
Sir Philip Salvador, and we also have Sir Glenn Escandor, of course. No? Yon, ganda ng
Brian Santos.
move there. Lawan nila Shane Batier.
Yes.
Karakot fires. Grabe.
Caraco for
Deadly. From the outside, it was
Hit check.
Karakot pa rin,
Yes.
coach.
Mintis pa rin. Medyo may... Eto, here comes Mamuyak.
Oh!
Aaron Fuller.
Siguro mamaya.
Sigurado. Pamaol.
Yon, no? Grabe.
Hey, Caraco.
Favorite move ni Andre.
Justin needs to step up. Of course, you have Alex Stockton as well. Oh!
Grabe.
Nagliliyab.
And now, here comes Andrada, fades away.
Jay Andrade.
Kakatsawan na naman tayo ng mga tao dito.
Patay tayo dyan. Here we go. Francis Trescandor.
1, 2, 3.
2 quarters. And now he's just back. Mamuyak. Binigay na naman kay Bo Belga.
Belga from GM Mamuya.
Triple B.
Arana.
Ba?
Ganda.
Alana.
Got a rebound. Binigay kang Bo Belga.
Shot fake. Patented
8
shot
second
fake.
fade away.
Oh, yeah!
Triple
Triple B. Woo!
Love the spirit of, fun here inside the arena.
Basket down for Justin Alana.
It's a good sign, no? Itong si Francis Escandor. He's adjusting to the pace of the people.
Andre Caracot. Bo
Wow.
Belga.
Ba?
Belga.
Triple B.
It's in his repertoire. Wala, coach, wala.
Oh, the only triple B.
Yes.
Shawnee Winston. Pasok.
14. Anthony Caraco.
Yun, oh. Pasok. That 3-point shot ay hatid sa atin ng ito, we're seeing a flex play. But Scotty Hobson.
Hobson.
Mas preferred niya yung system.
Yep, eto.
Justin Alana.
System type of play, yeah.
Memo plus ganun yun. Walang copy yun, ah. Yun, pasok na naman.
Pasok na naman.
Mamuyag. A screen. Binigay dito kay Mark Borboran. Good. Eto na naman. Andre.
Grabe.
Caraco for 3.
Ibang klabong laruan ng player na yan. Sobra pa sa 10 points ginawa dito.
Justin.
Na-note mo yun? Grabe, no?
Really, battling hand in hand dito sa Rain or Shine. But Mark Borboran,
That's a good seal, no?
almost a good pass there. Hobson. Winston. Yes, sir.
Winston.
He made that sure, no?
I'm not seeing Santillan in the ball game.
Oo nga, no?
Alex Stockton for 2.
Baka may iniindang injury.
But here comes Mark Borboran.
From Anthony Caraco.
Ito, let's see. Scotty Hobson for 3.
Scotty
Pasok.
Hobson for 3.
He
Okay, dito kay Anton Asistio. Gustong bumawi, but Aaron
Ayan.
Fuller.
ba? Ilipat.
Ron Fuller.
They gave it to Shawnee Winston. Favorite spot. Mid-range jumper.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Johnny Winston.
Yeah, gusto. And here comes Scotty Hobson. And one.
Basket count for Scotty Hobson.
And pasok.
For Mark Borboran.
This is let's take a look at this Genesis 88 construction play by Scotty Hobson.